Hey guys, welcome back. For this next lecture, we're going to learn how to create a different type of graph. Okay? One that is so common, they use it in almost every single company. I don't know one company that doesn't use them. And that graph or chart, whatever you want to call it, is called the pie chart. Now, we're not going to create just some average looking one. We're going to create a 3D looking chart, all right? We're going to do something pretty badass. So, we're going to go insert at the top of the screen, right? Then we want to go charts, pie, and we're going to go 3D pie, but the exploded view, okay? So there we go. We got our blank canvas again. Let's bring it down here. Okay. Actually, let's move this one over here and bring this one over here. All right. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the data in. So let's go right click like so. Select data, right? Add. Now we're going to add these three total values, the ones in red. So first we're going to do the series name. Now the series name is going to be all three of these things. So we're actually going to not put all those three in. We're just going to call it distribution. Okay. Then for the series value, oops, let's delete that. We're going to add these three values here by selecting all three going across. We go OK. Then we go edit, and we want to go and call it whatever these values are. Right now they're called 1, 2, and 3. So you don't know which one's which. So we want to select hot dog stock, hot dogs sold, and hot dogs remaining. Okay, there you go. And press OK, and then OK. And there you have your graph. Now, before we go any further, what we're going to do is we're going to give it a bit of style as well. So you want to go over here, make sure your graph is selected. You want to go Chart Tools, Design, Chart Types, and you want to click this bottom button here to bring them all out. Now we wanted to give it a 3D kind of look like that. I mean that's pretty cool. I like that. Then we're going to give it a background like the other one. So we're going to right click on the white space. We're going to go Format Chart Area, Gradient Fill again, Preset Colors. Now this time let's give it like a savanna kind of look, like it's burning. Look at that. That's kind of dangerous looking. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're also going to add in data labels. So data labels are basically labels that go over the different pieces of the pie. So we're going to right click on this pie here and go add data labels. All right. Now that's not all we want. What we want is for these names to be above those numbers. So we want to click on those numbers. We want to right click. We're going to go Format Data Labels. You want to untick, sorry, no, you want to keep that ticked. You want to tick Category Name and Percentage. All right, then when you're happy with that, we press Close. We delete this part here because we don't need it anymore. And let's give that some formatting. So you want to click on that label, go Home, go Font, Bold, so we can see it. There you go. And you can even move these around if you wanted to, like so. Move this one out here, like so. I mean, look at that. That's pretty neat. I mean, that only took us a few minutes, but with this alone, right, you could really represent your information in a way that is very, very difficult in a table. Because now you can say, even before you've looked at the numbers, right? Forget the numbers. You haven't even looked at the numbers here, right? Forget that, forget that, forget that. The first thing you look at is say, wow, why is this half of everything? Tell me what this part is. In here, you can't see that, right? It's very difficult. You go, well, 111, how big is that in the grand scheme of things? I don't know. Okay, but in the graph, it's half of the total. Straight away, you're gaining more insight into your information with a few minutes of added work. This is what makes Excel so powerful, right? And that's why I love this program so much. So please have fun with this experiment, see what other kind of pie graphs you can make, and just enjoy. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon.